Okay, hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to topic that is composition of function. Let A and B and C. Let A, B, and C be three non-empty sets. Like suppose it have some element, sub-containing element. Right. Let function f. Function f is defined to A to C, and function g defined B to C. B2 functions, right? We have a B2 functions. Since f is functions from A to B, f is functions from A to B. Okay, and for therefore for each element, for each x belongs to A, for each x belongs to A, right? And there exists a unique element fx belongs to B. There unique element which is belongs to B. Okay. Again, since g is a function of B to C, from B to C, therefore corresponding to fx, right? Because it have when we have to take second function, that is g, which are defined from B to C, that is domain value, that is fx, right? So corresponding to fx belongs to B, there exists a unique element that is g fx, right, which is belongs to C. Thus for each x belongs to A. Thus for each x belongs to A, because there are x, this x, this x, and this x. For each, it's belong to from A, right? Exist, which is exist a unique element gfx which is belongs to C, right? So this x is belongs to, like, in this form. Okay. So it follows from this discussion that f and g, when considered together, define a new function from A to C, from A to C, right? This function is called the composition of f and g. This function is known as composition of f and g, and it is denoted by GOF, right? So this is the GOF x. Okay. Similarly, we can define when we have two functions, that is g and f, we can define that is fog x. When function f and g, so here f, here g, and it's f, so we can define this function fog x, right? Gof and fog x. Okay. So when so finally uh, finally we have conclusion that when we have a two functions, okay, and we have to consider together, then we define a new function, right? When suppose we have a function fx, suppose we have a function fx, that's okay, just a minute. Okay, suppose we have a two function, that is fx is equals to x square, and second function is gx is equals to sine x. Okay, so when we take gx in fx, when we combine gx to fx, then we get g function, that is fx function of g is a function of fx, is known as, we may write this again, g is a function of fx, and second way we have to write this also gof x. Okay, and what is the value of this function? G is a function of fx, right? So gx is value, we have a value gx is equals to sine x, to replace the x to fx, so we have got g sine x. Okay, g fx, that is we have got, okay, let's sine fx. Okay, like suppose we have a gy, so we can write this sine y. We have got cz, then we have right to sine z, right? That similarly we have a g of fx, that is we have right sine fx. Okay, so this now sine fx is a x square, so we get sine x square, value of gof x. Okay, this is the composition of function. And when we take when we take second function, that is function of gx, we may write in this form also, fog x. So fgx means fgx. Okay, so we have a fgx now, so replace the value of x, fx is equals to x square, then fgx is equals to gx square. Okay, and what is the value of gx? This gx is sin x, so we get right sin x square of whole square, so we get sin square x. Now the value of fgx you can write in this form, fog x, that is sin square x. This is also a composition function of corresponding when we take two functions, right? So now we are going to discuss about domain and codomain value, right? Domain, codomain, and range of composition of function. Okay, so still in previous we have discussed a function f x is equals to x square. So when we define this function, function is defined real number from real number to r positive numbers, and r positive means which are positive real numbers, right? Because in this we have a function fx is equals to x square. When the domain value we have a real number, all the real numbers, right? So you get all square of all real numbers, we have got always a positive real number. Okay, because minus 1, square of minus 1 is also 1, and no, square of 1 is also 1, minus square of minus 2, that is 4. So all the real numbers, when we take this function, when we put this function, the value of the domain, we have got only on positive numbers, right? So we have and we have take a second function, we haven't taken second function, that is gx is equals to sine x. Okay, and it's we have to define also this function. This function is defined also, g function is defined real from real to minus 1 and 1. Generally we have taken a range value, we have taken in range value, means domain to range, right? In previous we have to discuss we have to take real to codomain, domain to codomain value, but here we have taken a real domain to range value, because it's a range value, right? It's also a range value. You take a you know the functions of sin x, right? And so the function of sin x, it's give us a range which are between minus 1 to 1. Okay, when we put the all real numbers in this x, we get this function minus 1 to 1. Okay, so here are we define this function and this function also. So now we are taking the gof x. Okay, and gof x we have to write in another way, that is function of fx. Okay, so gfx is gx is sin x, so gfx is sin fx, sin fx. Okay, So this x is this x where this where the belong this belong x from real numbers, right? So in just a way we have to learn that when we take the value of x in sin x, then we got always -1 to -1, right? So this value is also defined gfx, right? So the value of sin x is -1 to -1, right? So this value is -1 to -1. Gof x. Okay, we have to take cof x. So here are -1 to 1. Okay, fx is equals to sin fx. Okay, so here are fx value of fx is here value of fx is real number. So we get all the -1 to -1, right? So we take this -1 to -1. So we define gof is a function which are defined from real number because x is real number to -1 to 1. Okay, now in another way we have taken the next term, that is fog x. Fog x we define f gx. Okay, so f gx is f gx is f and gx is f gx, right? When we take f gx to replace the value of x square, right? So we take f gx square. Okay, so here the x is -1 all the real numbers, right? And we have to take all the real numbers in this value. We have to take -1 to 1. Okay, so here -1 to -1. If we take the x square -1 to -1, you know that all the values of minus we have taken when we have taken the square of -1, we will get always the positive numbers. So this value we have to we have give us the range value, that is 0 to infinity. Okay, so fog x we can define such that real to 0 to infinity. Okay, this is the range, domain to range, and this is the gof value of domain and range of gof. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss some question also related this composition of functions. Okay, thank you.